So yeah guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I am going to be showing y'all how to install LABYMOD 3 to be exact on any cracked launcher. I am going to be doing it on TL Legacy. So yeah guys, let's get right into the video. So yeah guys, first thing you gotta do is go to your browser and search up LABYMOD 3 or only LABYMOD, anyone would work. And now click on this looking for LABYMOD 3 on, or on the search screen you can press on download LABYMOD 3, anyone would work. Now click on free download or download for whatever. I am not going to download this one for this video. I am going to download the alternative Java installer, that is the .jar file. So yeah guys, it has downloaded. Now we can go to the downloads folder, double click on the file, yeah guys, it is taking some time to load. So yeah guys, it loaded, and now what you want to do is select 1.8.9 and select the mod loader as vanilla, and select the launcher as Minecraft launcher. Click on next and choose your mods. I am going to choose these for now. Yeah guys, I don't know why, but the motion blur in LABYMOD is very bad, so I would not recommend using it, and it decreases a lot of FPS. I would rather recommend using a motion blur shader for 1.8.9. If you want, I can share the link of the motion blur shader that I use in LABYMOD in the comments. If you want, you can tell me in the comments. I will pin the comment. And now what you need to do after selecting the add-ons that you want, click on next, check the box next to I agree to the terms of service, and click on install. It will start installing. So yeah guys, it has installed. Now click on OK, and it is all done. Now you can just open your launcher. I am going to open TL Legacy. So yeah guys, TL Legacy has launched, and now we can just scroll down, and there we can see LABYMOD 3 1.8.9. click on that and click on enter the game, and I am going to launch my game, and then I will start recording. So yeah guys, now we can just hop into a creative world and check it out. Yeah guys, this is the UI. It's pretty good, not that bad. I'm going to decrease my render distance for good FPS while recording, so that you guys can see properly. Yeah guys, we can just check out the its mod menu. That is, it is in setting, and here there's a lot of things. We can just change everything to 1.7 animations, lava optimization. This is very important. Synchronous crosshair is very important. You have to turn that on. Everything else is all good. Shortcut, visible chat background. And in add-ons you can see all the mods, and you can also download the mods. Trending, you can go on trending and install this. It will download completely. We can download this. It will download completely. This will restart required, so we will restart later. After restarting we can use that. And there is also voice chat. If you have a premium account you can use this. And custom font, it's pretty good. I don't use it, but you can use it. Nobob it's pretty bad, I would say. And this one is very important for me, because whenever you are holding your sprint button, that is W, and open your inventory and close it, then your player will stop sprinting. So if you turn this on, that will not happen. That is good. Item physics is good. It does not reduce FPS that much. Overall, this is a pretty good, what to say, overall it is pretty good. It's not that bad. So yeah guys, now I can just move it here. I like to keep it on this side, and FPS is all over here, and you can also enable a lot of things, really a lot. Combo, range, speed, everything you can enable. I'm going to enable ping. I like to have my ping on my screen, and also, and I don't need the coordinates and F direction. I'm going to keep only this here, only on the bottom. I would probably keep it in the corner at the bottom. Yeah, right there. Everything else is alright. Yeah guys, that is LABYMOD, and there is a lot in LABYMOD that you can enable, and it has a lot of mods, user built mods that are very useful. Yeah guys, that is it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.